Anatomical terms of movements are used to describe the action of muscles upon the skeleton. Muscles contract to produce movements at joints, and the subsequent movements can be precisely described using this terminology. The term used assumes that the body begins in the anatomical position. Most movements have an um, most movements have an opposite movement, also known as an antagonistic movement. We have described the term and antagonistic pairs for ease of understanding. Flexion and extension. Flexion and extension are movements that occur in the sagittal plane. Flexion and extension. Flexion and extension are movements that occur in the sagittal plane. They refer to increasing the decreasing and the angle between two body parts. Flexion and extension. Flexion refers to a movement that decreases the angle between two body parts. Extension refers to a movement that increases the angle between two body parts. Abduction and adduction. Abduction and adduction are two terms that are used to describe movements towards or away from the midline of the body. Abduction is a movement away from the midline. Adduction is a movement towards the midline. Adduction of the hip says the legs together. Medial and lateral rotation. Medial rotation is a rotation movement towards the midline. It is sometimes referred to as an internal rotation. A lateral rotation is a rotating movement away from the midline. This is in the opposite direction of the movement described above.